Keeping an eye out for criminals on the run. Dozens of new cameras that can alert police to the location of a wanted suspect will soon be installed in parts of Southwest Houston.
But how exactly does this technology work, and does it actually curb crime? KPRC 2's Taisha Walker getting those answers from police departments with similar programs. She's joining us now with what she's learned. Taisha.
Keith, some of those cameras will be located on the Richmond corridor. I'm going to flip the camera over here. My photographer is driving behind the wheel. But this area of town, which is within Southwest Houston and District J, has seen a lot of high traffic and high crime. Once those readers are installed, we're told that once you drive past one, it will snap a picture of your license plate.
So we're seeing a lot of thefts, we're seeing assaults, we're seeing burglaries.
Houston City Councilman Edward Pollard of District J says by summer, 100 license plate reader cameras will be up and running throughout his entire district to help deter crime.
Our big thing is we want the criminals to know that if you come to District J, the eyes will be on you. We will see you and we will catch you.
Pollard says the flock license plate cameras will not record surveillance video.
We're not recording people or the vehicles for storage for long periods of time. It's just going to be still photos, and the only photos that ever get released or provided will be of vehicles that were involved in a crime.
Memorial Village's police chief Ray Schultz says his department has been using the flock camera system for 4 years now and now has 11 readers.
It's actually matching the vehicles and license plate against the databases in the cloud to see if it's associated with a crime.
The chief says it's been a great crime deterrent and law enforcement tool.
We've been able to recover a lot of stolen vehicles, and with that capture some criminals, whether usually they have some felony warrants, drugs, or weapons.
Officer Katie Wilson with Westview Place PD says they use a similar system. Wilson says 13 of their 40 license plate readers are up and running and has given their department a 97.2% accuracy rate.
And it's a great solvability feature for our agency, and also catching bad guys and holding them accountable for the criminal activity that they have done within our city.
Westview Place PD also tells us that those cameras also help them track down some missing people as well. We know that Councilman Pollard says those cameras will also work on paper tags, and if those tags are invalid, it will then send an alert to HPD. Reporting live on the road in Southwest Houston, Taisha Walker, KPRC 2 News.